There are a ton of people making money on a brand new method, not meme coins, but a brand new market called predictive marketing. Today, I'm going to tell you guys exactly how it works, how you could front run this market, and why you need to start paying attention to this now before everybody starts paying attention to it. Just like we did last year, I was one of the first persons that front ran Pump Fund. Literally, when Pump Fund came out, that's when I got into the meme coin space. And boy, did it change my life. I'm not saying meme coins are going away because we have so many derivatives of meme coins. We have CCMs, regular meme coins, now have ICMs. We have a whole types of different meme coins, and we are still going to be making money on meme coins, but we are maybe about a year to two away from actually starting to make money on a brand new market that a ton of people are already making money in, called predictive marketing. And what exactly is that? Today I'm going to break it down for you guys and give you all the lowdown of what it is. There are a couple websites, but I'm going to give you the main website. Think of this website like Pump Fund. This is called Polymarket. Now, this site got extremely famous due to the, of course, you guys know, the race between both Donald Trump and Harris. This is one of the places, and it was the only place that was able to tell you who won the presidency before any news agency. So how does this work? Basically, just like meme coins, this is gambling, but gambling up to the like third, fourth, fifth level, because predictive markets lets you gamble on everything: political space, sports space, crypto space, geopolitical space, tech space, cultural space, world space, economic space, elections, mentions, everything you could possibly think of. It lets you gamble on it. And how does it work? Well, it's just basically pretty simple. There are different methods, but I'm just going to give you guys the most simple assets. And if you want to see more videos on this and how you can start making, yes, $15,000, $20,000, $40,000 to $50,000 a month with this, I will definitely make more videos. You just got to let me know in the comment section down below if you would like to see it. So how does this actually work? Well, very simple, guys. For example, let's say you're a political person, and this tells you who is going to win the New York City mayor election. And it gives you two options, right? It gives you a yes and it gives you a no. Basically, the way this works is you pretty much are able to kind of bet not against Polymarket, but you're able to bet against peers. The great thing about this is that you will be able to cash out whenever you want, sell whenever you want, and this fluctuates just like the meme coin charts. This fluctuates as the day goes by. So anytime things change or the things change the shift, this will fluctuate from yes, 81 shares to no, 19 shares. It could come down to 60 shares tomorrow because something really crazy happens. And this could come down, although this could go back up to 40 shares. Depending on when you buy the shares, that's going to determine the payout. So let's say, for example, you buy 100 of this, of the yes coin, and you buy 100 of the no coin. If for some reason they are, it wins, on this one, you will get $100 on your share. On this one, if you lose, you pretty much lose everything. So you lose all your $100. Now, if we reverse that and you bet 100 on the no and you bet 100 on the yes, and for some reason it's the no, you get $100 for that $20 bid, but you lose the $100 on the yes bid because you're pretty much fighting and playing against not the poly market, but you're playing against player versus player, which is peer to peer. So you're kind of betting against anybody else. Now, this is taking off because it's much easier for people to kind of determine certain things that are happening in the world, for example, politics, or if you're into sports and you kind of want to say who's going to win in the NFL, who's going to win in the MLB, who's going to win in the WNBA, who's going to win in the soccer, especially right now that the World Cup's coming out. You could bet on everything, and it's super easy because you could either be a yes or no, or it could be like they're going to win by 4 points, they're going to win by 5 points. You can pick and choose which ones you want. Of course, some are going to give you more returns, but like I said, I will have a more in-depth video going on that. But I did want to bring it to you guys and let you guys know. And the great thing is that this is all managed, and you could trade all this with crypto. That's what makes it really cool and very promising. I think pretty soon we will see a ton of people not only coming into the crypto space, but a lot of normies onboarding here because it's a little bit more simpler to understand than meme coins, and anybody could kind of just engage because if they know a little bit more about that specific topic, whether it be politics or sports, they'll be able to just kind of answer yes or no and kind of make some profits if they have already. So I wanted to share this with you guys so you guys can stay in tune. Big kind of like want to give you a little teaser. There is going to be a company that's going to be integrating this into a trading bot, and it is just going to make your life a lot easier because you'll be able to trade meme coins and you will be able to go into predictive marketing as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Always, like always, we're the alpha before the alpha. We front run everything, stream every Tuesday and Thursdays. And don't forget to join the Boltz Alpha squad, not only for future meme coins and for them to 10x, 5x, 1x, 2x, however X's you want, but also we're going to be diving in a little bit into the predictive marketing pretty soon. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next.